Itchy skin is a common complaint that most people experience at some point in their lives. While it's often harmless and can be caused by dry skin, allergies, or minor irritations, there are times when itching signals something more serious. In this video, we'll explore which symptoms mean you should seek urgent care for itchy skin. We'll guide you through the warning signs, help you understand when to worry, and provide tips on what to do next. Let's start by understanding what itchy skin is and why it happens. Before we dive into urgent symptoms, it's important to recognize the common, non-serious causes of itchy skin. Dry weather, allergic reactions to soaps or detergents, insect bites, and mild eczema are frequent culprits. These usually resolve with over-the-counter treatments or simple home remedies. However, knowing the difference between harmless and dangerous itching is key to protecting your health. Let's look at when itching might be a sign of something more serious. Itching that persists, worsens, or is accompanied by other symptoms may indicate a more serious underlying condition. For example, if you notice that your itching is spreading rapidly, or if it's associated with other changes in your body, it's time to pay closer attention. Some symptoms require urgent medical attention, and recognizing them early can make a big difference in your health outcome. Let's go through the red flags you should never ignore. One of the most urgent situations involving itchy skin is a severe allergic reaction, also known as anaphylaxis. If your itching is accompanied by swelling of the face, lips, tongue, or throat, difficulty breathing, or hives covering large areas of your body, seek emergency care immediately. These symptoms can progress quickly and become life-threatening. Don't wait, call emergency services, or go to the nearest urgent care center right away. Itchy skin can sometimes be a sign of infection, especially if you notice redness, warmth, swelling, or pus at the site of itching. Fever and chills may also develop. These symptoms suggest that bacteria may have entered through a break in the skin, and the infection could spread quickly. If you experience these signs, it's important to seek urgent care to prevent complications. If your itchy skin is accompanied by yellowing of the skin or eyes, known as jaundice, this could indicate a problem with your liver or bile ducts. Jaundice is a serious symptom that should never be ignored. It may be caused by hepatitis, gallstones, or other liver conditions. If you notice these changes, seek urgent medical evaluation as soon as possible. Unexplained bruising, along with itchy skin, can be a sign of a bleeding or clotting disorder. If you notice new bruises without any clear cause, especially if they are large or appear suddenly, this could indicate a serious underlying problem. Seek urgent care to rule out conditions like low platelet counts or other blood disorders. If you develop swelling in your hands, feet, face, or other areas, along with itchy skin, this could be a sign of a serious allergic reaction or another medical emergency. Swelling, especially when it occurs rapidly, can compromise your airway or indicate a systemic problem. Don't hesitate to seek urgent care if you notice these symptoms. Shortness of breath combined with itchy skin is a red flag for a severe allergic reaction or even heart or lung problems. If you find it hard to breathe, feel tightness in your chest, or hear wheezing, seek emergency care immediately. These symptoms can escalate quickly and require prompt medical intervention. Feeling dizzy, lightheaded, or faint in combination with itchy skin can signal a drop in blood pressure, often due to a severe allergic reaction. This is a medical emergency. If you or someone you know experiences these symptoms, call emergency services or go to the nearest urgent care center immediately. Quick action can save lives. Severe pain at the site of itching, especially if it comes on suddenly or is accompanied by redness and swelling, may indicate a serious infection or even a condition like shingles. If the pain is intense and out of proportion to what you'd expect from simple itching, seek urgent care for a thorough evaluation. If your itchy skin develops blisters, open sores, or starts peeling, this could be a sign of a severe skin reaction, such as Stevens-Johnson syndrome or toxic epidermal necrolysis. These are rare but life-threatening conditions that require immediate medical attention. Don't wait, seek urgent care if you see these changes. A rash that appears with fever and itching can be a sign of an infection or an inflammatory condition. Some viral illnesses, such as measles or chickenpox, present this way. If you develop a new rash with a high fever, especially if you feel unwell, it's important to get checked by a healthcare provider urgently. A rapid or irregular heartbeat along with itchy skin can be a sign of a severe allergic reaction or another systemic problem. If you notice your heart racing, pounding, or skipping beats, especially with other concerning symptoms, seek urgent care immediately. These changes can be dangerous if left untreated. Swollen lymph nodes along with itchy skin can indicate an infection or, in rare cases, a more serious condition like lymphoma. If you notice lumps in your neck, armpits, or groin that are tender or growing, it's important to get checked by a healthcare professional as soon as possible. Unexplained weight loss together with persistent itching can be a sign of an underlying systemic illness, such as cancer or chronic infection. If you notice you're losing weight without trying and have ongoing itchy skin, make an appointment with your doctor or visit urgent care for further investigation. Night sweats combined with itchy skin may point to infections, hormonal disorders, or even certain cancers like lymphoma. If you wake up drenched in sweat and have persistent itching, it's important to seek medical advice promptly. These symptoms together warrant a thorough evaluation. Severe fatigue that doesn't improve with rest, along with itchy skin, can be a sign of an underlying medical condition. Chronic infections, autoimmune diseases, and even some cancers can cause these symptoms. If you feel unusually tired and have persistent itching, don't ignore it. Get checked by a healthcare provider. Dark urine along with itchy skin can be a sign of liver or kidney problems. If you notice your urine is darker than usual, especially with yellowing of the skin or eyes, seek urgent medical attention. These symptoms may indicate a serious underlying condition that needs prompt evaluation. Pale or clay-colored stools together with itchy skin can also point to liver or bile duct problems. This combination of symptoms should not be ignored, as it may indicate a blockage or inflammation that requires urgent medical care. If you notice these changes, contact a healthcare provider promptly. Persistent vomiting, along with itchy skin, can be a sign of a serious underlying illness, such as liver failure or a severe allergic reaction. If you're unable to keep fluids down and have ongoing itching, seek urgent care to prevent dehydration and address the underlying cause. Confusion, disorientation, or changes in mental status along with itchy skin can be a sign of a serious medical emergency, such as liver failure, severe infection, or a reaction to medication. If you or someone you know becomes confused and has itchy skin, seek emergency care immediately. A sudden, severe headache along with itchy skin can be a sign of a serious condition, such as meningitis or a severe allergic reaction. If you experience a headache that is intense and unlike any you've had before, especially with other concerning symptoms, seek urgent medical attention. Vision changes, such as blurred or double vision, along with itchy skin, can be a sign of a neurological problem or a severe allergic reaction. If you notice sudden changes in your vision, seek urgent care to rule out serious causes and prevent complications. Difficulty swallowing, also known as dysphagia, along with itchy skin, can be a sign of a severe allergic reaction or swelling in the throat. This can quickly become life-threatening if the airway is compromised. If you have trouble swallowing, seek emergency care immediately. Chest pain, along with itchy skin, can be a sign of a severe allergic reaction, heart problem, or even a panic attack. If you experience chest pain, especially if it's severe or associated with other symptoms like shortness of breath or dizziness, seek urgent medical attention. Numbness or tingling sensations along with itchy skin can be a sign of nerve involvement or a severe allergic reaction. If these symptoms develop suddenly or worsen rapidly, seek urgent care to rule out serious causes and prevent complications. Severe anxiety or panic attacks can sometimes accompany itchy skin, especially during allergic reactions. If you feel overwhelming, anxiety, have trouble breathing, or feel like you're losing control, seek urgent care. These symptoms can be part of a serious medical emergency. Loss of consciousness, even for a brief moment, along with itchy skin, is a medical emergency. This can be caused by a severe allergic reaction, low blood pressure, or other critical conditions. If someone faints or becomes unresponsive, call emergency services immediately. Severe swelling of the eyes or lips, along with itchy skin, is a classic sign of a severe allergic reaction. This can quickly progress to airway obstruction and requires immediate medical attention. Don't wait, seek emergency care right away if you notice these symptoms. Blue discoloration of the lips or fingertips, known as cyanosis, along with itchy skin, is a sign of low oxygen levels in the blood. This is a medical emergency and requires immediate attention. If you notice blue lips or fingers, call emergency services right away. Severe abdominal pain, along with itchy skin, can be a sign of a serious internal problem, such as liver or gallbladder disease. If you experience intense stomach pain with itching, seek urgent care to rule out dangerous conditions and get the treatment you need. A persistent cough along with itchy skin can sometimes indicate an allergic reaction affecting your airways or even a respiratory infection. If your cough is severe, doesn't improve, or is accompanied by other concerning symptoms, seek urgent medical evaluation. Severe joint pain along with itchy skin can be a sign of an autoimmune disease or a severe infection. If you notice swelling, redness, or pain in your joints with persistent itching, seek urgent care for a thorough evaluation and appropriate treatment. Severe back pain together with itchy skin can sometimes indicate a kidney problem or a severe infection. If your back pain is intense, especially with other symptoms like fever or changes in urination, seek urgent medical attention. Bleeding from the skin or mucous membranes along with itching can be a sign of a bleeding disorder or a severe allergic reaction. If you notice unexplained bleeding, especially with other concerning symptoms, seek urgent care immediately. Severe redness of the skin along with itching can be a sign of cellulitis, a serious skin infection, or a severe allergic reaction. If the redness is spreading quickly or is associated with pain, fever, or swelling, seek urgent care. A rash that spreads rapidly along with itchy skin can be a sign of a severe allergic reaction or infection. If you notice your rash is getting worse quickly, seek urgent medical attention to prevent complications. Difficulty moving a limb or part of your body along with itchy skin can be a sign of a neurological problem or a severe infection. If you suddenly can't move or control a part of your body, seek emergency care immediately. Severe swelling of the tongue along with itchy skin is a sign of a life-threatening allergic reaction called angioedema. This can block your airway and requires immediate emergency care. If you notice your tongue swelling, call emergency services right away. A severe burning sensation along with itchy skin can be a sign of nerve involvement, infection, or a severe allergic reaction. If the burning is intense and persistent, seek urgent care to determine the cause and get appropriate treatment. Severe swelling of the genitals along with itchy skin can be a sign of a severe allergic reaction or infection. This can be very uncomfortable and potentially dangerous. If you notice these symptoms, seek urgent care as soon as possible. Severe dehydration, marked by dry mouth, sunken eyes, and little or no urination, along with itchy skin, can be a sign of a serious underlying illness. If you're unable to keep fluids down or show signs of dehydration, seek urgent care immediately. Severe weakness along with itchy skin can be a sign of a serious medical condition, such as a neurological disorder, infection, or severe allergic reaction. If you suddenly feel very weak and have persistent itching, seek urgent care for evaluation and treatment. To sum up, while itchy skin is often harmless, there are many symptoms that, when combined with itching, should prompt you to seek urgent care. These include difficulty breathing, swelling, severe pain, fever, confusion, and more. If you ever feel unsure or your symptoms are severe, it's always better to err on the side of caution and get checked by a healthcare professional. Your health and safety are the top priority. Stay informed and take action when needed.